Hey guys, so today I want to do a little recreation of the makeup that Patrick Tar did on Bella Hadid. I don't know when it was actually, but can you see the photo? It's just a really fierce wing and glowy cheeks. It actually looks really simple. That's a front on picture. Yeah, so I just thought it was really nice and I want to try and recreate it because I haven't really done anything with winged eyeliner in a while. So this is pretty much just all a wing, a really big smudgy wing, and that's it. So yeah, if you want to see how I do in this recreation, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some tape, just so I can get the winged liner as even as possible. Now her wings look like they're coming straight, sort of from the lower lash line out. Let's try and do this. Yeah. I've already got foundation on because I just filmed a foundation first impression, so that's gonna end up taking that off. Oh well. Think that's fairly even. So now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Geek gel liner in Immortal, which is just a black. Actually, let's put a bit of powder. I've already put some foundation on my lid, so I'm gonna powder it because I don't think we really need any eyeshadow for this look. So just make sure you really powder down your foundation or concealer or whatever you put on your eyelids. Keep that all in place. I'm just using the by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. So let's work very carefully along the tape. And the eyeliner seems to meet up. It's a bit brushing. It's for her, like wherever the hood is on your eye. That's like sort of swoops underneath it. Think like this. This is terrifying. I haven't done anything with eyeliner in so long. And I'm being very light. I'm not putting a lot of product on yet. Just so we can really work, get the shape happening before we, right, and then we're going to come in like that. Think. Eesh. Try the other side. Just being really careful. Making a little mark where it's going to swoop underneath your hood. Sorry I'm not talking much. I find it really hard to talk and do eyeliner at the same time. Does anyone else have this problem? I'm going to start building up the wing. Let's make it more opaque, just right on the ends here. I'm going to start on the lash line because we want the intensity mostly here. Right here. And I'm only really going about halfway at the moment. It starts looking a bit thicker, isn't it? Might get a bit of concealer and let's just thin that out. Just going to take these off so I can actually work. Ooh. I've got a bit of a funny eye here, so I'm going to have to bring this down a bit lower. This side's looking okay. Yeah, let's get a bit of conceal and neaten up that bit there. I'm just going to add a bit more under this eye. There we go, that's better. Just got a little bit more of like a hood here than I do on that side. It's really weird. Alright, so now let's just smudge it up a bit. I'm going to take this little tiny pencil brush from Real Techniques. It's called a precision smudge brush, and a black eyeshadow. I'm just going to take Noir from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and first of all just dabbing that along my lash line and then smudging. Ooh, it's looking kind of cool. Alright, let's get that concealer brush and tidy up the edges here. How are we feeling about all this? I feel like we need a little bit more product there. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just tight line right underneath the lash line. Try to keep it in the lashes as much as possible because we don't want the black there transferring down here, because we want the lower lash line to be completely bare. This is such, it looks so funny when people do this. It's amazing how much more like thicker and like darker your lash line looks once you put a little bit of eyeliner underneath those lashes. Fizz. Okay, cool. So now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Oh no, there was some black. How did that get on my eyelash curler? Curses. Okay, so I'm just sort of tidying up under the eyes a little bit. So I'm going to go in with my Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara. Let's do top and making a mess, aren't I? For some reason my lashes seem really long today. Yeah, so I've already filmed a foundation review, as I said earlier. So foundation is on. Let's do some contouring, cheeks, glow, and all of that. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in, what colour is this? Beautiful bronze. Let's just do some contouring. Now, Bella has really defined cheekbones and sort of sculpted out face. So let's try and recreate that a little bit. Just using my Real Techniques sculpting brush. She's got really defined cheekbones, so, and quite bronzy look. So let's just add some more, shall we? Let's go ham. Let's get these little tendrils of hair out the way. Blam, 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 blam. I would love to meet Patrick Ta. I just love his makeups. Oh, it's just such beautiful work. I don't know if you guys know, like, follow him on Insta, but you should. Patrick Ta. He does obviously Bella Hadid's makeup. I think it's oh, what's her name? Shay Mitchell. Pretty sure he's her makeup artist, and they just do such beautiful work together. Right, that's blended in lovely jubbly. Okay, now let's just sort of enhance my under eyes a little bit. See if I can get something out of this Arbonne concealer. Help me, I need some help under my eyes. Come on, come out. Okay, I'm gonna blend that in. Oh, that looks better. It's looking a little bit dull under the eyes, wasn't I? Careful of your beautiful wings. Okay, so I'm going to set this bronzer here with a powder bronzer. Let's use, I think I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula. This beautiful thing here. Using that same sculpting brush as before. Let's really get them cheekbones up poppin'. Seriously, this bronzer just smells so good. And I'm patching it so as to not disturb the foundation and liquid bronzer underneath. I'm going to go in with a blush. I'm going to use maybe a bit of these two here. Kind of an apricot and a peachy tone. Now let's glow ourselves up to the heavens because that picture is beautiful and glowy. Okay, I'm going to use two products because I'm extra AF. Hello, highlighting brush. What are y'all? Woo! Okay, using the Real Techniques setting powder brush, but it's really good for your highlight. I'm going to go in with the sleek Solstice highlighting palette in this apricot shade. But first, this beautiful product here by Charlotte Tilbury. Her highlighting wand, which I adore, and I've been absolutely loving on everyone at the moment. All of my clients have been like totally Charlotte Tilbury. It's my favorite cream highlighter. Just look at that. It is so beautiful. I'm so in love. Now, I'm going to set my face and then put the powder highlight over the top. Going in with the Huge Urban Decay All Nighter. And the peach tone from this. Just inhaled some powder or something. Going in with that apricot highlighting tone from Sleek. Just tap that on. I haven't used this in so long. used to use it all the time. Don't know why my voice went full grandma then. All the time, back in my day, it was all about sleek. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm approving of this look. I feel like we're pretty much done. Actually, I want some inner corner highlight. I can't not have inner corner highlight. I don't know if she's got this actually, but I just want it. Now, I'm trying to decide on a lip colour. It's kind of like a browny rosy pink. Right, I'm gonna check this colour out. I don't mind this shade. What do you guys reckon? I've got like this dry bit here on my lip, but I don't want to pull it off because I know it's going to really hurt. What do you guys think? Well, there you go, guys. That was a little bit of fun. It's actually quite a simple look. I mean, literally just eyeliner, mascara, and then bronze and glow them cheeks up. So yeah, actually quite enjoyed doing this look and doing some winged eyeliner for the first time in like so long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love it so much if you could give it a little thumbs up, or subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I would love for you to join my little glam fam. And as always, if you have any suggestions of what you would like to see next, just hit comment down below. In the description bar, I will just have a list of everything that I used on my face today. And if you want to follow me outside of YouTube, then you can check me out on Instagram, which is @LittleCoconut, and Snapchat, which is LittleCocoFace. And that's it from me. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.